Max AC, or maximum air conditioning, is an override feature in the BMW Series 2 Coupe climate control system. It allows you to bypass automatic settings for maximum cooling power. Here's how the car's air conditioning system works. The diagram shows the key components: compressor, condenser, receiver dryer, expansion valve, and evaporator. When you activate Max AC, it sets the fan to maximum speed, directs air to the face-level vents, and prioritizes the compressor for rapid cooling. The compressor diagram shows how refrigerant flows through the system under high pressure. Use Max AC for quick cabin cooling in extreme heat when you need immediate relief from high temperatures. There are two ways to enable Max AC on the BMW Series 2 Coupe. First, via the iDrive touchscreen. Navigate to the climate menu, which is typically represented by an AC icon. Then select Max AC and confirm your choice. Alternatively, on some models, you can toggle Max AC by holding the physical AC button on the center console for 3 to 5 seconds. When activated, Max AC bypasses the automatic climate control sensors, forcing the system to maximum output. It uses the vehicle's refrigerant system, either R134A or R134YF, depending on the model year. This mode requires a functional compressor, condenser, and control module to operate properly. Be aware that this mode draws significant power from the engine, potentially increasing fuel consumption. To disable Max AC, reverse the activation process. Deselect Max AC in the iDrive menu by tapping the option again, or press the physical AC button once more. The system will immediately return to the standard automatic climate control mode, which uses sensors to optimize cooling efficiency and comfort based on environmental conditions. While Max AC provides powerful cooling, prolonged use can strain the air conditioning system and potentially cause overheating. The compressor and other components work harder, increasing wear and tear. Regular inspections are essential, especially for models over 8 years old. Dealers recommend annual checks costing between $150 and $300 to ensure the system remains efficient and safe. Common issues include refrigerant leaks, which reduce cooling effectiveness and require professional recharging. The AC system diagram shows how refrigerant flows through components like the compressor and condenser. Actuator failures in the HVAC unit, such as mode door or blend door actuators, can prevent proper air distribution. The HVAC diagram highlights these critical components. Blower motor relay problems can stop the fan from operating, affecting all climate functions. The electrical diagram illustrates the blower motor system's connections and potential failure points. Max AC provides immediate cooling through manual override, but newer BMW models use AI-driven climate systems that learn user preferences and integrate regenerative cooling in electric vehicles for better efficiency. These modern systems are more efficient and require fewer manual overrides like Max AC. Retrofitting newer systems in older vehicles is possible through aftermarket options. For BMW enthusiasts, modifying Max AC functionality is possible through ECU coding. Tools like Autel or Bimmer code allow customizing the system's behavior, such as adjusting fan speeds or compressor timing. Another option is installing aftermarket heat pumps, which can enhance cooling efficiency by using ground source energy. These systems provide better performance than stock AC in extreme conditions. Before any modifications, use diagnostic tools to scan the ECU for errors. These DIY approaches require technical knowledge and should be done cautiously to avoid voiding warranties or causing system damage. As the BMW Series 2 Coupe models from 2013 to 2021 age, the long-term outlook for Max AC support involves evolving software limitations and the vehicle's inherent simplicity that supports ongoing DIY maintenance. BMW plans to discontinue software updates for older iDrive systems by around 2030. Which could affect Max AC operation on 2013-2021 Series 2 Coupe models as newer firmware becomes unavailable. As a result, official support for features like Max AC may diminish, requiring owners to rely on alternative solutions rather than manufacturer updates. Fortunately, the straightforward mechanical and electrical design of Max AC means it can continue working effectively even as software support fades, relying on basic components rather than advanced integrations. The simplicity of the system supports DIY maintenance approaches. Owners can perform repairs themselves using standard automotive tools and readily available parts, keeping Max AC operational without professional intervention. With proper care, including annual inspections, and addressing common issues like refrigerant levels or actuator failures, owners can expect Max AC to remain functional on their 2013-2021 Series 2 Coupe for many years ahead. Overall, the long-term outlook for Max AC on the Series 2 Coupe is positive for dedicated owners who embrace DIY maintenance, preserving this useful feature despite evolving automotive technology.